just unmute that time, okay? Okay, already 21 participants are there, so let us start because it will be on record and we'll welcome to the award announcement ceremony of the third South Asian Short Film Festival. The festival was basically planned to be held at London in the last fortnight of March, for which we booked London for 3 weeks. And those 3 weeks from then on, the lockdown had started, and we couldn't organize the festival in scheduled time. So we were waiting if London, when the London will open, we shall start that time. But unfortunately, there is no chance of opening up London in short future. So we finally decided to hold the festival online, and for last 1 month it is going on. And this is today, tonight it will be finished, it will be over. Now the films which are not in competition, those are being screened. And so we are taking this opportunity to announce the award tonight. So today we have with us three eminent jury members. I am introducing them in alphabetic order. First, Mr. Abhijit Guha. Abhijit Guha is a film director, actor, and a writer working in Kolkata film industry for about 2 decades. He generally directs films jointly with Suresh Roy. So far, he has made 25 feature films and telefilms, including Shudhu Tumi in 2004, Cross Connection 2009, Tiniyari Kotha 2012, Beat Noon 2015, Raboner Dhara 2020, and others. His film Tiniyari Kotha was showcased in the competition section of Ocean Cinefan Festival of Asian and Arab Cinema in 2012. It also participated in the Bangkok International Film Festival and Kolkata International Film Festival. His film Jodi Labh Dile Prane 2014 was selected for Indian Panorama and participated in the International Film Festival of India in Goa in 2014. As an actor, his performance in many films like Shubho Maharat, Rupkatha Noy, Manojber Adbhut Pari, and others are highly appreciated. Welcome, Mr. Abhijit. In our jury session. He was there in the jury. And then Professor Rita Datta. Professor Rita Datta is a film scholar, film critic, and an editor of an internationally famous film journal, Film Buff. She is a member of the International Federation of Film Critics and IPRESCI. She has visited many international film festivals worldwide to serve as a jury member, delivered lectures, and took part in different seminars and symposiums on cinema. She has served as a jury member in Cannes Film Festivals, Busan International Film Festival, Ocean Cinefan Film Festival, Cairo International Film Festival, Aswan Film Festival in Egypt, BRICS Festival in Brazil, Kiev International Film Festival, Almaty International Film Festival, Hengqin International Film Festival in China, Nepal International Film Festival, and so many others. She has participated on different academic assignments in documentary film festivals in Istanbul, Macedonia European Film School, Dubrovka Festival in Poland, and different other festivals in home and abroad. She is a regular contributor in various academic journals, web magazines, national and international film, and academic journals. She teaches political science in a college in Kolkata. Welcome, Professor Datta, in our session. Then Mr. Subrata Sen. Subrata Sen is a film director, screenwriter, novelist, and producer. He made his first feature film, Ek Je Ache Kunai, 2001, introducing Konkona Sen Sharma. The film won the Gulabdeh Srinivas National Award. He made his second feature film, Shopner Feriwala, in 2002. Both of his first two films were there in the lineup of Karlovy Film Festival. His third feature film, Nil Nirjane, in 2003, was the first digital film of India. Then he made Hatat Mirar Jonno in 2005 and Vivar in 2006. Vivar won the Best Actor and Best Actress Award from the Ocean Cinefan Festival, New Delhi. His next film, Koyekti Meyer Golpo 2012, was there in the competition section of the Madrid International Film Festival. His documentary Kali 2018 is highly acclaimed. He has 4 published Bengali novels to his credit. Welcome, Mr. Subrata Sen, in this session. Now we are going to listen from the jury members about their experience about the festival, because they have only watched the films in competition. We finally we got more than 300 films for this year's MP, out of which we selected near about 100 films in sessions for the documentary and fiction category for the competition, and other 100 is out of competition. There is a known as the panorama. So the jury members only watched the films in the competition sections, in documentary, both in documentary and the feature section. So we now would have to listen from them, just their overall experience, very in brief, 3-4 minutes each, from the jury members, beginning in alphabetic order. And I request Mr. Abhijit to go to them first. What you found, how was the participation, was the films good or bad or not so good? What should we do in the next time? Should we curate more strictly, or will we be much more reluctant to take some more films like this? Mr. Goa, please. My God. Oh, it.
Sorry.
Okay.
Pardon, I couldn't hear you. The last bit I couldn't hear. So will you just repeat it? Because I got.
Yes, requested to jury members to tell their experience about the overall participation of the film. Overall, not the particular. Just within 2-3 minutes, you can tell how was
we have seen films like 83 or I cannot remember now how many films we have seen, but most of the films are really from very different perspectives, and few are really fresh, and filmmakers are really talented. But few films are, as usual, it always happens, like mundane or very regular. But most of the films, I should say the 40%, not most of the films, the 40% of the films are different and fresh and cinematic. And the overall standard, the festival has, the kind of films we have seen, the overall standard is quite good, what I believe.
We can't hear.
Sound, please.
Sound.
We can't hear.
Extremely sorry, I forgot to unmute it. I am very sorry that I forgot to introduce our senior most secretary of the Federation, Mr. Shankar Pal. We are fortunate enough to have him with us today. Welcome, Mr. Shankar Pal, in this session. He is the key person to all the telephone numbers which we have given for this. So many people are participating, everybody was inquiring with him. So he is a pillar of the Federation of Societies of India. And thank you, Mr. Pal, for joining us. Now we will love to hear from Adita Dutta. Overall experience, please.
Well, I would like to thank Federation of Film Societies Eastern Region, especially for giving me the opportunity to be a part of this illustrious jury board. It's always a pleasure to watch shorts and documentaries, a personal favorite. I have seen a gamut of films in this trying time, and it's a beautiful bouquet of films, actually. And it's very difficult to do justice to a few among the lot. Anyways, we have almost unanimously made a decision. Thank you very much, FFSI.
Thank you, Professor Dutta. Now we would like to hear from Mr. Subrata Sen, his experience, overall experience in water films.
I would say that the overall curating of the festival was fantastic, and it was very difficult to judge, especially a few films. I felt sorry that a few films just lost by maybe a few decimal points, and couldn't make it to the award finally. Uh, so this was something. Some of the films made me, I mean, as a filmmaker, jealous. I mean, that is something which I found very interesting. I was amazed by the content, the kind of films that people are making, both in fiction section as well as in documentary section. Uh, but somehow, most of the jury members, we marked each film separately, and there was not much of disparity among the jury members, and we could arrive at a consensus almost. Uh, I mean, without meeting each other, we didn't meet each other at all. Whatever discussion we had was over telephone, and that was a fantastic experience. And I'm grateful to Federation of Film Societies for giving me this opportunity and to work with this beautiful jury to select the films. And finally, I think we made justice to the films and the awards. This is what I can say about this year's film festival.
Thank you, Mr. Shiv. Now we are coming directly for the announcement of the awards. First, we are going for the fiction film. I think, yes, fiction film. So, the fiction films category, all the awards are named after Hrithik Ghatak. Hrithik Ghatak Bronze Award, Hrithik Ghatak Silver Award, and Hrithik Ghatak Golden Award. So first, we will announce the special jury mention in short fiction category. It has owned by Vijendra Sam for the film Gulp. So I will request Rita Dotto to read the dissertation why they have given the jury mention for this particular film.
Yeah, the special jury mention in the short film category would be Gulp. It's a poignant short film of 9 minutes by Vijendra Sham. It's a silent little gem that represented the interdependency of human being and nature and the onslaught of the developmentalist agenda of modern world and how it is displacing the aboriginals. Amazing cinematography, beautiful soundtrack, and stupendous acting by K.L. Anthony makes the film noteworthy. Congratulations to Vijendra Sham and his team.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Vijendra Sham and his team for winning this award, coveted award. Now we shall announce the Hrithik Ghatak Bronze Award for the third best short fiction. Mr. Avijit Guha will announce this award.
What's the
The winner is Flying Wagon by Kunal Narula.
Yeah, it's a fantastic film, I must say. It's a very short and sweet film, and the protagonist, the young boy who acted in it, is stupendous. It's stupendous. He's just out of the world. I don't think he's an actor, or maybe he's an actor because in Bombay the professionalism is very high. So everybody trained themselves as an actor because he didn't act at all in the film. He didn't act at all in the film, and I like the Hindi name of the film called Cheel Gari. That's a local connotation for a flying wagon, and it's a story of a 10-year-old boy who lives beside an airport and works as a tea vendor in a tea shop. And he dreams one day he will fly. And he collects money. He collects money by dating in that chai shop, whoever was available, by dating that what is the color of the next flight. And usually he's right and he collects it, but he used to collect money like that so that he can buy a ticket or to fly. And finally, what happens when he really collects the money and goes to buy a ticket, something happens in his life and it changes him. And suddenly he becomes an adult. I will not disclose the story because whoever will watch it will lose the interest of watching it. So it's a fantastic film, particularly the acting and also a song, a Rajasthani folk song was used in the film, which actually as a part of the narrative, which is very interesting, which is Bollywood, but it is cinematic. It's a uh, quintessential Bollywood and the stamp of Bollywood, but I like it. And it's a extremely good sweet film.
Thank you, Mr. Goho. Practically all these award-winning films will be screened immediately after this is over, from tonight after 12 o'clock for 1 week. So the audience can watch the films as well. Now we shall go for announcement of the Ritik Ghatak Silver Award for the second best short fiction. And the dissertation will be presented by Professor Rita Dotto. And the winner is Moinak Guho for the film An Irrelevant Dialogue.
The Ritik Ghatak Silver Award for the second best short fiction goes to, as you already know, An Irrelevant Dialogue by Moinak Guho. It's a brilliant film. It's brilliant in every aspect of filmmaking, from cinematography to sound, from editing to set design. This minimalist film is a masterpiece for me and for others also. Congratulations to Moinak and his brilliant team. Thank you.
Now we shall come to the Ritik Ghatak Golden Award for the best short fiction, and Mr. Subrata Sen will read the dissertation. And the award goes to The Accordion by Sandeep Banerjee.
The Accordion, directed by Sandeep Banerjee, is a blend of classical way of storytelling and the modern, resulting in a mesmerizing visual experience, I would say. A technically brilliant film enhanced by a very balanced approach from the director. The dispassion showed by the filmmaker is its hallmark. While the film is dramatic, often building up visual excitement, there is a remarkable calmness woven in by the music and the musicians, who, oblivious of all the violence happening around, is carrying on with life unperturbed. The film is about internal conflicts that India is facing these days, though the director has not spelled out anything explicitly, making the film a treat to watch. The jury members have unanimously chosen this film for the Ritik Ghatak Golden Award for the best short fiction, and my best wishes goes to the director Sandeep Banerjee for his film The Accordion.
Thank you, Shubroto. Now we shall go for the announcement of the awards in. It is we have given the award for the Ritik Ghatak Golden Award for the best short fiction. Yes, the documentary films. Satyajit Ray Bronze Award for the third best documentary. Professor Rita Dotto did the dissertation, and the award goes to Coral Woman by Priya Thuvaseri.
Yeah, the Satyajit Ray Bronze Award for the third best documentary goes to Coral Woman by Priya Thuvaseri. This is the story of Usha Mani, an astounding woman in her 50s who decides to become a scuba diver. A documentary of almost 52 minutes with stunning underwater visuals and a powerful narrative is a juxtaposition of personal greed, ecological disaster by global climate changes, and how her passion turns her into an activist eventually. Besides the strong female gaze present throughout the film, this film depicts harsh reality on screen, so very pertinent in today's world. Congratulations to Priya and her brilliant team. Thank you.
Thank you for announcement of this award, and thank you, Priya, for winning this award. Now we are announcing the Satyajit Ray Silver Award for the second best documentary. The dissertation is represented by Subrata Sen again, and the winner is Ankit Basu for the film Palace of Colors.
Palace of Colors is a very well-made documentary about certain marginal people in a society which is actually marginal. The beauty of this film is It's not a mere documentation. It also fulfills the criteria of a film, often missed in the documentary genre of filmmaking. The technical brilliance of the film reflects the filmmaker's professional approach. It's a brilliant visual treat, along with brilliant sound design, making the film stand out among many. Congratulations to Prantik Basu for his film Palace of Colors.
Thank you. Congratulations, Prantik, for winning the Satyajit Ray Silver Award for the second best documentary. Now the Satyajit Ray Golden Award for the best documentary, and it will be presented by Avijit Kuho. And the film is Pankaj Rishi Kumar, Janani's Juliet.
Janani's Juliet is a gem of a film, I must say. It's a quite a complex kind of a cinema, which is actually based on a play called Chandala. And it's an adaptation. The Chandala, the play, is actually an adaptation of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. We have seen different version of Romeo and Juliet earlier, but it gives a complex Indian fabric, social fabric, and actually the caste, the class, and the gender, which comes together. The film follows a play called Chandala. Is an adaptation of Shakespeare's classic called Romeo and Juliet, and one theatre group in Pondicherry-based theatre group, Indiano Strum. They are actually adapting that play, Chandala play, which is a modern layer, which is actually giving the introspection of caste, class, and gender, contemporary world, and where love struggles to survive. Actually, that is the whole point. And there, another layer is there, a lady called Kaushalya, a young girl called Kaushalya, who got married to a Dalit man, Shankar, was murdered in public by the man hired by her own father to protect their honor. It's honor keeping. It's a multiple layers are there, and it is a really complex and very vital, very important, I think. And its expression, its language is also quite interesting. The way they have transited from one story to another, and whatever the characters, the actors who are playing a character, how they are also questioning the character. These are very, very, very important and very interesting kind of film. Already it has won a lot of awards. So this is definitely a gem of a film, and one of the best films of this.
Thank you, Vijay. And congratulations, Pankaj, for winning the award. There is an announcement that the awards will be physically given in a function to be held on 8th November in the open air theatre of the Eastern General Cultural Center at Salt Lake City. Those will be present. They could take the award directly from there. Juries also are invited to be present there. And now the C. Shantaram Golden Award for the Best Direction in Short Fiction. Subrata Sen is presenting the dissertation, and the winner of the award is Ashish Pandey for the film Nuri.
Nuri, or Noore, as it's written in the film, directed by Ashish Pandey, is a film about Kashmir, empowerment of women, and also about motivation. Subtle storytelling, brilliant visuals stand out with the director's dedication, which is quite palpable throughout the film. In the backdrop of Kashmir, the film deals with a lady from a mainstream city who is searching for her destination in life. Her vacation in Kashmir and her interactions with the local girl introduces the local girl into another way of thinking. It also happens the other way around. The city lady's idea about life also changes in the process of exchange of ideas. We rarely get to see Kashmiri Indian independent cinema these days, but it's not only the Kashmir part that makes the film different, it's the way the director has treated the local to tell a universal story makes the film stand out from plenty of other films. Congratulations to Ashish Pandey for Noor.
Thank you, Subrata. Congratulations, Ashish. And Ashish Pandey's this Noor, just I got the news that it has been also selected for the international competition of the Jaffna International Film Festival. And it has also participated in many festivals as well. Now the Meenakshi Golden Award for Best Direction in Documentary. The dissertation will be presented by Abhijit Guha, and the director is again Pankaj Rishi Kumar for the film Journalist Juliet.
Pardon, I have to say something about the film.
Whatever you like, also about the film of the director.
Pankaj Kumar, what I have came to know, he is basically he is a trained editor. He has passed out from film school, most probably the FTII, and but he has done everything in film. He is a cinematographer, he is the editor of the film, he's the director, he has written it also with the help of somebody, and he has actually spent quite a time, not only time, he has actually tried to get into the depth, the seed of the problem, what is age-old problem of India, the caste system, and the class, the gender, everything all together. He has actually is in the film, and actually it's quite a complex film and quite a challenging kind of film. And as a filmmaker, I think he is really enviable. What Sundar has actually as a filmmaker, really, I must, I actually envy this kind of film.
You're not audible. Not audible.
Sorry, extremely sorry. So the announcement of award is over. This year we have given total 9 awards. 2 bronze awards, 2 silver awards, 2 golden awards, 1 jury mention, and 2 best director award. In this award, there will be a beautifully designed trophy and a certificate. It will be physically handed over to each and every director. Those will be present in the 8th November program to them directly, and those will not be present will be sent to them. Or later on, we try to organize the attractive function in London when it will be open. And there are cash awards also, only for the golden award and the silver award. Some cash is there. For the best short fiction, second best short fiction, best direct documentary, and the second best documentary. So this was everything, and now I will request our secretary, Mr. Shankar Pal, to give the formal vote of thanks, after which the session will be over, and this recording will be available in the Federation of Film Societies of India's YouTube channel forever. Anybody can access and watch it. Mr. Pal.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I, on behalf of the Society of India, from all of you, declare the ceremony, Asian Short Film Festival. I thank the juries, thank the participants, and also join to them. I also thank them. I thank everybody for support to organize this festival. I thank everybody for with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, everybody. And the 4th South Asian Short Film Festival will be announced very soon, within 1 week.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.